Here's our Easter Bunny in our do-it-yourself kit. We're going to start with doing his ears. We're going to do some reverse flooding, and all that is putting a little bit of the icing down on his ears and then smoothing it out. You can use a spatula, you can use a paintbrush, whatever you'd like. And then we'll go ahead and outline in the white icing, or you can switch the colors around. And then fill in, but go around where we just did the pink icing, because we don't want to fill that in. We want that to show through and add some dimension. We flooded the bunny's face first because we wanted to give the ear outline time to dry. That way it won't fill in and cover all that pink that we just did. Once you've finished flooding your bunny, then you can give it a little tap. You can use a scribe tool and smooth out any other bumps that you might see. Next, we're doing some little wet on wet cheeks, some blush. You do not have to put this in. I just thought it might be fun to do that. Now we're ready to add the details of the face. You want to make sure your piping bag is cut very small so that your details don't flood all together. With the nose, we just want to outline it and then add this little mouth. Then we'll add his eyes, which for me, I just did the eyelashes with a closed eye. I think it makes it really cute, but you can put dots or do something else. And then just fill in the nose since it's had a little time to dry, and that way it won't spread out.